Let's make spaghetti con vongole. Oh my God. Pan on low, medium heat. Touch of olive oil is in there. I cut the garlic in half so it rests flat. And I'm gonna go across, make some incisions, go across once here in the other direction. And now I have a really nice, fine slice on the garlic. To my pan, light tasting olive oil, in with the garlic, and in with the chili flake, and a little bit of salt. While that's going, drop your spaghetti. Garlic just starting to take on some nice color. In with the clams. The clams have been scrubbed and purged to remove any dirt. Move these around, and now we're gonna add in some white wine. Smell in here is intoxicating. As the clams open up, I can remove them to just allow the others to cook so these don't overcook. Clams are removed. I'm gonna take my spaghetti, just not even to al dente. This goes right into the liquid. Clams go back in. Also, if I need to, I have a splash of our pasta water. Now we wanna bring this together. As the pasta is finishing cooking, let's finally chop some parsley. We have a beautiful sauce at the bottom here. What I'm gonna do is add in parsley, and a good amount of it too. And just bring this together. Oh, the smell in here is insane. Time to plate this up. I can smell this beautiful flavor from the clam. And we're gonna put a bunch on top. Here's the finished dish. Just a little bit of olive oil goes on top, a little bit more parsley, and here you have spaghetti con vongole. Mad love.